The owners of this operation have no problems with first in, first out. That's because this product goes in and stays there. And just to make sure, this man varies it. This man, on the other hand, has to work hard to ensure first in, first out.
First in, first out FIFO, as we call it here, is achieved through batch locating our products. We're telling our computer systems how we have located it in the pushback racking, and the computer automatically picks the oldest products first, and we achieve proper product rotation easily with the racking.
This video will explain the 3 key elements needed to maximize the benefits of a pushback system. The first key is attaining first in, first out, or FIFO. Contrary to popular belief, pushback users can achieve FIFO with the proper procedures. The second key is high occupancy. For the best payback, high-density storage systems must be configured with occupancy rates of at least 80%. And because most inventory items vary from high to low and back again, the third key is to use random storage to achieve the best use of warehouse space. Here's how the system works. For simplicity reasons, we have chosen 7 products, with each product shown in a different color. In our example, we are assuming these 7 products vary from an inventory high of 32 pallets to a low of 8 pallets and an average of 16 pallets. In a fixed storage discipline, each item would need 32 positions or 8 lanes of 4 deep pushback to be set aside, regardless of inventory levels. However, the pallet counts for each item average 16, and therefore we are only 50% occupied. Notice in our example how some products are high while others are low. Inventory counts are rarely divisible by the lane depth, so part lanes will be inevitable for many products. Random storage allows operators to balance the highs and lows and take advantage of the overall average. This allows the allotted space to shrink from 7 bays to 5 bays to store the same number of pallets. We also have 9 empty lanes left over, perhaps 6 of which could be used to store additional products. Average occupancy is increased from 50% to 85%, and that is why random storage is one of the keys to higher productivity. The key to maintaining this high occupancy is planning to have a minimum of 3 to 4 times the lane depth in average inventory. Choosing the correct lane length for a given pallet range recognizes part of all 3 of our keys to success. In this example, we have chosen a 4 deep lane to illustrate the reasons for the multiple lane concept. If we had only 1 lane per product, as we fill that empty lane, on average, we are only 50% occupied. For stock rotation purposes, we cannot bury old product behind new product. Therefore, a second lane is required even though we have only 4 pallets in total. With the addition of another full lane, our occupancy rises to 66%. Similarly, the insertion of an additional lane gives us 75% occupancy, and another lane will give us 80%. In this final example, we are storing an average of 16 pallets in 5 lanes. By unloading the oldest part lane first and reducing the number of part lanes, the occupancy rises even higher, and stock is automatically rotated. In the center of the 3D pushback brochure, you will find some simple rules that ensure a successful pushback installation. Rule number 1. Select the proper lane depth for the product to be stored. If you use the table here as a guide, you can achieve occupancy rates of 80 to 90%. Notice the average number of pallets per product is 3 to 4 times the lane depth. Rule number 2. When a new lot code is received, Start a new lane so as not to block access to an existing code. In this illustration, new lot code B is stored in a separate lane from existing lot code A. Rule number 3. Pick from the oldest part lane. That way, you will ship the oldest stock first and free up empty lanes for new inventory. In this illustration, product is first picked from part lane A since the other lanes containing lot A are full. Rule number 4. Store incoming product randomly in any available empty lane. By avoiding fixed locations, you allow the storage requirements to grow and shrink as needed. Sounds easy, doesn't it? And it is. Designed to be user-friendly, our storage systems maximize your warehousing space and minimize your forklift travel and retrieval time. Find out why warehouse facilities across North America have adopted 3D storage systems racking solutions. Call your 3D representative today.